Ready? To learn? Let's grow together! Welcome to EduNurture Learning Hub!
Everyone, meet our new friends, Miss Ene and Greg.
Hello, everyone. I'm Miss Ene. I can't wait to learn and have fun with you.
Remember our safety rule from last time, everyone? Never share your real name or home address with AI. That's right. Always ask a trusted adult first. Personal information is private.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting AI adventure.
Today, we'll discover something amazing with our AI friends.
Hello, young learners. Today, we're answering a big question. Can AI make mistakes?
Hello friends, come and see, come and learn about AI. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, learning with AI is lots of fun. AI helps us read and learn, AI helps us spell and write, AI helps us draw great pictures, cut with numbers day and night. Free, learn, draw, create, let's explore, it's really great. Let's discover every day. AI helps us tell great stories. AI helps us sing along. AI helps us solve fun puzzles. Learning makes us wise and strong. Who's reading? Children, we're writing. Who's writing? Children, we're writing. Who's creating? Children, who's creating? Everybody, AI.
Watch this. I asked AI to paint a majestic lion.
Wow, that's amazing!
We asked AI for a zebra. Why does it have pink polka dots? A polka dot zebra? That's so silly. Zebras have black and white stripes. See?
Even the smartest AI can make mistakes. That's why we always think, check, and ask.
Always double check with a trusted adult or a real book.
Today we learned that AI isn't perfect. It can make mistakes. So always think, check, and ask.
Yay! It's quiz time! Put on your thinking caps. Question 1.
Can AI make mistakes, like our funny zebra?
True or false? Shout your answer. Question 2. Is AI meant to do all the work for you? Yes or no? Great job today, super learners! We're so proud of you. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye, super learners!
Come along, sing along, clap your hands. Here we go! Jump up high, touch the sky. Learning starts when we play.